let's discuss some properties of triangle. And these properties you know already, like angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. This is the property which we know already. We can prove this property by using the congruency criteria, like the except the equal base angle, there is another vertex angle, and from the vertex angles we will draw a perpendicular which will bisect the base side into two equal parts, and then we use the congruency rule to prove these two angle opposite to the equal side of isosceles triangle are equal. That means we need to prove angle B is equal to angle C. So if we have drawn this bisector of angle A, then this part will be equal to this one, and this side is already given because of the isosceles triangle. This angle is the angle bisector because AD is an angle bisector. That's why angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 and AD is common. So by using SAS property, we have proved that the triangle BAD and CAD are congruent to each other. That's why by CPCT, angle B will be equal to angle C. Similarly, converse of this theorem, that is, the side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. The same thing here again, we will draw the side bisector, and here is angle given. This will be your side bisector. This side is given because of the isosceles triangle. This angle is given equal to, and if it is side bisector, then this part will be equal to this part. So by using SAS, this angle will be equal to this one, and by CPCT, we can say that this part is equal to this one, or actually AB is equal to AC. This thing we have to prove. Angle B and angle C is given, and we have drawn the bisector part, so BD will be equal to DC and AD is common. So this we can say that this is perpendicular, because in isosceles triangle the bisector is perpendicular. That's why this is your R right angle, this is your angle. So AAS, we can say AAS by AAS property, these two triangles are congruent. So AB and AC are the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. That's why they are equal. Similarly, we can use these criteria to do the exercise 7.2. This